friends, I am Sangita. Welcome back to my channel. Today I came with a different type of video. It's a meal prep one. See, food is an integral part of our life. Every day we have to eat, and to think it takes time and effort. Then you prepare a shopping list, go to the shopping, cook and clean, lots of hassles. But if you can plan throughout the week what you are going to eat, it saves you lots of time, saves money as well. So today's video's purpose is to meal prep one. So let's start that thing. And when you're talking about meal prep and if it can be very healthy, that is the ultimate one. The meal prep I'm going to share with you, it will be very healthy. So just keep watching till at the end so you'll understand. So my first step, chicken marination, is done. So this is my basic key ingredients for today's meal prep, you can say. So first I'll make the chicken ball, and let's start making the chicken ball now. But definitely I'll make it in a healthy way. If you have traditional steamer, you can use the traditional steamer, but I use this steamer because at the same time I can cook two things. I'll show you how I do that thing. This is my third batch of steaming the chicken ball. So already you have seen the potato is cooked totally. Now I'm boiling the pasta. So it's not only you are cooking, you are saving lots of time, because at the same time while preparing the chicken ball, you can boil other vegetables or other ingredients as well. I'll show what all I'm boiling today at the same time. So all the chicken keema ball are steamed now, potato is boiled, noodles are boiled, pastas are boiled, now rice is also cooked. So now we are going to start the preparation. What recipes we are preparing for the week. So my chicken ball curry is ready. You can serve it with rice. I'll show you, I'll present that thing. Now I'm going for the second recipe, which I'm preparing pasta now. So our first recipe, chicken steam ball curry, is done. Second recipe is done, pasta is done. Now we are going for the stir fry. So my chicken ball stir fry is totally ready. You can eat on its own, or you can add it with the rice, or you can add it with the noodles, whatever you like. So as a base, if you prepare, keep it in the fridge, store it, and whatever you want as a carb, you can add and enjoy that thing. So it's so handy if you can prepare and store it in the fridge.